I believe that I make the world's best white sauce pasta, and today in this video you guys got lucky. I will be sharing my recipe and making that pasta with you so you can learn step by step and try it out, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this pasta. So for the pasta you need broccoli, spaghetti obviously, some cheddar, cream, garlic, chicken stock or vegetable stock. I prefer chicken stock. For some flavor, mushroom, butter and Parmesan cheese. And that's exactly what you need for my famous pasta. Let's get started. Hey guys, so the beauty of this pasta is that it's very quick and everything happens at the same time. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So basically my pasta is being boiled right here. I've put the timer already. My broccoli is being boiled on the other thing. Please ignore how big this pot is for this much broccoli. And here my mushrooms are being sauteed here so that I can saute all my mushrooms. So I'll have my mushrooms going on one end, my broccoli and my pasta, and then after the mushrooms are done I'm going to use the same pan to quickly do the sauce. That's how our finished pasta looks, everyone. I've literally rained Parmesan cheese on top, and trust me, this is delicious. We have some more broccoli. If you guys want, you can eat the broccoli on the side. What I like to do, which is completely optional, is I like to I like to steam some broccolini or asparagus, anything I have in the fridge, on the side. Because it's a very cheesy pasta, it feels really comforting to have something steamed but like just fresh without any flavor, so it like balances. That's our finished dish, you guys. So that's our pasta with some Parmesan on top, again because who doesn't love cheese. And then we have some lovely broccolini in a very rich garlic butter sauce, and that's my favorite pasta. Quick taste test, you all. So let's have the pasta first. Oh, I'm so excited. It smells so good. That's heaven served in a bowl. Now for the broccolini. It's true, I do make the world's best pasta, and I hope you try this recipe out for yourself and validate that. But I think that's enough for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I will see you next time. Much love. Bye. I realized that I had cheese on my chin, so please ignore that.